There are moments in life where everything around you looks normal, but inside, you know something is shifting. Something invisible is being rearranged for your favor. There was a time when your life looked like routine days and ordinary hours, but heaven had already scheduled a breakthrough before you even realized you needed one. This is the story of a person who learned the power of speaking blessing over their own life, not by begging, not by fear, not by desperation, but by declaring, aligning, and speaking life with faith. Because your story is not controlled by darkness. Your story is guided by the one who created light. Imagine this moment. It's early morning. You step outside before the world wakes up. The air is quiet. Cold wind touches your skin. The horizon is still dark, but there is a faint golden light trying to rise. That is your life right now. You may feel like you are somewhere between darkness and sunrise, between uncertainty and promise, between pain and the breakthrough that is coming. And suddenly, you realize something powerful. God has given you a voice, not just to speak about your situation, but to change it. Life and death are held in the power of the tongue, meaning heaven responds when you speak faith, and darkness retreats when you speak truth. So, today, something new begins. You speak blessing, you speak life, you speak favor, you speak increase, you speak peace, you speak joy, you speak healing, you speak identity, you speak destiny, you speak alignment. Because the moment you bless yourself with the truth of God, hell instantly loses authority to define you. This is the shift most people never understand. God never asked you to just survive seasons. He created you to rise in them. Storms were never designed to break you. They were designed to reveal what heaven already placed inside you. Greater is He who is in you than anything that tries to confront you. So now, your mind begins to shift. Fear is dismissed. Anxiety loses permission. Worry is evicted. Darkness is denied authority. Your imagination, which once created scenarios of panic, will now become a place of creativity, divine strategy, and vision. Your heart once heavy becomes stable, peaceful, established. Your emotions stop reacting to chaos and start responding to faith. Your tongue becomes a weapon of blessing, not destruction. And every room you enter, every space you walk into, every moment you step into, is transformed. Because heaven is backing you. This is not positivity. This is not manifestation by willpower. This is spiritual alignment. This is identity activated. You begin to bless your path. You speak life into your future. You speak protection over your family. You speak divine order over your health. Every cell, every organ, every part of your body aligns to the blueprint of heaven. Your sleep becomes peaceful. Your rest becomes real. Your strength becomes renewed like the eagle. You begin to realize nothing God intends for you can be stolen, stopped, delayed, or canceled. You are not a victim to random outcomes. Your steps are ordered. Your destiny is intentional. Your future is secured in Christ. So now, as you move forward, you carry an awareness. You are not walking into tomorrow empty-handed. You are walking into tomorrow with blessing already spoken over it. Your finances will reflect the goodness of God. Your purpose will reveal the greatness of God. Your legacy will carry the fingerprints of God. People will not understand how everything suddenly began to align. How doors opened effortlessly. How opportunities appeared unexpectedly. How favor surrounded you like a shield. But you will know. You will know that heaven responds to a voice that knows its identity. You will know that every storm that tried to break you was actually training you to become unshakable. You will know that every season you survived was pushing you closer into divine assignment. And now you decide, from this moment forward, you will speak blessing over your own existence. Every day, every morning, every season, not because you are trying to impress God, but because you finally believe Him. You finally believe that you are chosen, redeemed, forgiven, established, anointed, empowered, called, and victorious. You finally believe that you are more than a conqueror. You finally believe that heaven is involved in your story. So today, seal this moment in faith. Speak blessing over your identity. Speak blessing over your future. Speak blessing over your health. Speak blessing over your work. Speak blessing over every day ahead of you. Because what God blesses cannot be cursed. This is your new beginning. This is your alignment day. This is the moment heaven records a shift. You will walk in divine strength. You will carry divine peace. You will overflow with divine favor. And your life will become a testimony of what happens when a person chooses to speak life and believe heaven will honor every word spoken in faith. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.